Hey guys, quick video on the facial gasket. I removed mine because, like others, because we wanted our eyeballs to be closer to the LCD screens. It's snowing, our first snow yesterday. But I would highly recommend this. If you do use your facial, it's got pretty good light bleed blockers here, and it feels a lot better than this fabric. I'll put a link in the description. There's a lot of these out now. They suddenly came out last week all over the place, but they're worth it. They're cheap, $10 or something, I don't know. Do is 3D print a facial shield. In the description I'm going to put a 3D print that we're working on, and so it looks like it needs to be out this far. That's where the minimum, as close as it can get, to use this airflow. The air, if you can hear, the air is being sucked out of the headset and your facial part and blows out here. And it sits on top. This is a BoboVR. This worked great for the previous Quest 2s, and so here you can see this part. A gentleman on the 3D print site, he did a pretty good job so far, it looks like, but if we can bring it even closer, that'd be awesome. I'm sure a lot of people will be willing to buy them, to pay for them, to make and 3D print and buy. And I think for the most part it's got it down pretty good. If y'all have any ideas, please comment below. Alright, thanks, and subscribe for more discussions on this kind of stuff. Cheers.